Hey guys, I'm on Nexo in my wallet, and I have a loan for 4,000 almost, and it's only like 65 cents a day I'm paying, so I'm gonna definitely keep that loan. But right now, if you look at the available credit is zero, so you don't want to have a available credit of zero. You always want to have some crypto. So I want to show you exactly how to withdraw from crypto.com, the cheapest and easiest way to withdraw from crypto.com, because they'll charge you $15 or $25 in Bitcoin. I think right now it's a pretty hefty fee, and I'm just sending it to Nexo via Stellar. So you just click top up your wallet. You understand. You're going to copy and paste that address. And then that memo right there is important. 2059620 is mine. And, it'll be different for every wallet. But you always put that memo in there when you're passing cryptocurrency. With Stellar, you want to keep one Stellar token in your wallet. And that's just kind of proper technique or use so that you don't end up, there's something to that, but you just keep one Stellar. Trust me on it. Keep one XLM token in each address, even though you're sending it. Try not to send it all. And you go to crypto.com, and I have a little bit of Stellar. I just traded some Bitcoin to Stellar. I'm going to send it to the address that I just copied and pasted from Nexo. And you go to transfer, withdraw, external wallet. I actually already have it in crypto.com. I've done this before. That's how I know it's the best. It only charges you zero point 0.1 XLM token for a transfer from out of crypto.com. So I'm just going to use this, but you would have to go to your email and confirm that you're adding an address, the one you copy and pasted from another location, and you got to confirm that that's your address, and then crypto.com will hold that address for you. But I have 325 of these. And like I said, you want to leave a little bit in the wallet. Try to leave like a full token in case it's just a good practice. So I'll do 229. That's what it's worth right now. It's 324.4 XLM tokens. And I'm going to withdraw. Look over the information. If you look, the fee is only 0.01 XLM. I'm going to confirm this. I put in my PIN, and your XLM withdrawal request has been submitted. And see, I left one XLM token in my wallet. It's good practice. You'll find out later why if you really wanted to. If I refresh, the Stellars, it shows it's left, and because it's Stellar, it's very fast. It's very fast when it gets to the wallet. So I want to go to my Stellar, and I have 380 in there. Okay, I put in my PIN, and if you look, now my Stellar is already in there by the time I put in my PIN. So I have a little extra in my credit line. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it as XLM or trade it to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's low right now. It's actually dumping. It's 46,000. If you guys, this is your one chance to get it under 50,000. It's not going to be under 50,000 for very long. By September, October, it's going to be well over 65,000 at its all time. It's going to have another all time high, and that's the prediction that I'm seeing. And I'm not a financial advisor. That's how you put take money out of crypto.com for very cheap. All right, I'll leave two links or two or three links in the description. Crypto.com does have a referral program, but you're probably already part of it if you were looking for this video. Thanks for watching, and you can visit my website at highticketbitcoin.com. That's highticketbitcoin.com. I'm building it up with the best I have to offer with crypto.